न्यूज़ 18 इंडिया की टीम है लगातार वॉर जोन में और मैं इस वक्त इसराइल में उस जगह पर हूं जहां पर तबाही हुई है। मैं इस घर में अंदर जाने की कोशिश करूंगा और आपको दिखाऊंगा कि किस तरीके की तबाही हुई है यहाँ घरों की जहां पे ये अटैक हुआ है। बैलिस्टिक मिसाइल जो ईरान के हैं बहुत ताकतवर मिसाइल है और वो जब यहाँ पे गिरे तो हर तरफ से तबाही हुई। तो ये आप देख सकते हैं घरों के अंदर का हाल क्या है, तबाह हो चुके हैं ये, और जिनके ये घर हैं वो अब ये मलबा हटा रहे हैं। जहाँ जहाँ पे भी ईरान के मिसाइल गिरे हैं, मिसाइल अटैक की वजह से यहाँ पे क्या तबाही हुई है। मैं एक घर में हूँ यहाँ पे और ये लोग जो हैं अब यहाँ पे ये मलबा हटा रहे हैं। जब धमाका हुआ उसके बाद अब ये आए हैं यहाँ पे और ये चीज़ें जो हैं ये अब बाहर फेंक रहे हैं क्योंकि यहाँ पे सब कुछ तबाह हो चुका है। काफ़ी नुकसान इसराइल में भी हो रहा है ईरान के बैलिस्टिक मिसाइल से और लगातार यहाँ पे हम देख पा रहे हैं कि जहाँ जहाँ पे भी अटैक्स हो रहे हैं बार बार सायरन्स बज रही हैं और लोगों को शेल्टर में भागना पड़ता है। ये देख सकते हैं आप, ये हालात हैं यहाँ पे भी घरों के कि क्या हालत हुई है यहाँ पे अटैक की वजह से। तो मैं इन लोगों से भी बात करने की कोशिश करूँगा कि उस टाइम क्या हुआ, ये कहाँ पे थे। व्हाट्स योर नेम?
Shy.
How powerful was the blast explosion?
It was very boom. You hear in the whole city. It was like cup
It was direct hit of ballistic missile of Iran.
ballistic.
You were here only?
Yes, very close.
So many people died here in this area and many were injured.
9.
What kind of damage is around? What can you say?
It ruined the whole area around. You look around. You could see the. You could see all the
destruction.
all the
everywhere.
destruction.
Right.
He wants to add.
Okay, what do you want to add?
Here
How
the,
powerful was the explosion? You were here in this area that
yes,
time?
I was here. The explosion was very powerful. Kaboom! We heard it. We felt it everywhere in the city. Yes, the missile was crazy. It was a big boom. If you saw there what happened, it was crazy. A lot of damages. A lot of people was killed.
How do you see this war between Israel and Iran? Many people died in Iran also. In one school, 165 girl children died. How do you see this?
It's very unfortunate, but also this is war, and we're also in a war. As you see, there's also
Your homes are also damaged, but it was initiated by Israel, don't you think?
I don't think, I don't know. All I know is we want peace, we want love, and we want everyone to be friends. And this is the education we get, that everyone deserves to be loved. But we gotta do what we gotta do to keep ourselves safe and to keep our people safe. And it's very unfortunate, but what we can do, this is war.
Look, there is a lot of damage around what I could see. Many houses damaged, many people killed, many injured. But in Iran also there is a lot of damage, so many people killed, and in US attack, this is what Iran say. A school was hit and 165 girl children died at a spot. So how do you see it? Is it painful for you?
Yes, it's very painful for me. Everyone's dying. It's very painful. But you know what? We here, we need to defend our people, and we need to take care of the Jewish community in the world and in Israel and the Israelis. And although it's very unfortunate what happened in Iran, it's
Look,
very...
everything is disturbed in Israel. Sirens are sounding and you are running to the shelter.
Yes, all day, all day. We're
What
in
do you
the...
want? Don't you want peace?
I want everyone want peace. We want peace. We just want it to end. But
They initiated the war. They initiated the war. They started with us on the 7th of October when they attacked us.
yeah, so
Peace should prevail.
peace should be, but also we gotta do what we gotta do. Everyone keep continuing attacking us. We need to defend ourselves. And also here the reality is very hard. We run every day to the shelter. We run every day from sirens and booming and missiles. And also for us, we're also kids. We also run to the shelter every day. Babies also need to be awake all the night, every day to be in the shelter. It's crazy.
Your life is completely disturbed. Their life is completely disturbed. I am right now at a spot where there is a lot of destruction around. The Iranian ballistic missile has hit directly this area, and there is a lot of destruction. Many people were killed, many were injured, and there is all around the debris, what we could see, and the people are removing debris from their houses now. I spoke to some of the people. They also want to have peace. They want the war should stop.